Okay, let's discuss one more question on maxima and minima. Again, very important question from the exam point of view. Question number 9 of miscellaneous from application of derivatives. What is question? A point on the hypotenuse of the triangle is at a distance small a and small b from the sides of the triangle. Show that minimum length of hypotenuse is a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Again, what we have discussed in this type of questions, what we need to do? First, we need to find what is to maximize or minimize. So, what is to maximize or minimize here? Length of hypotenuse. What is given? Distance of the point from the two sides. Okay. What is to find or prove? We need to find length of hypotenuse. Sorry, we need to prove length of hypotenuse is this a power 2 by 3 plus b power 3 by 2, b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Now, what is fourth? We'll form the function which is to maximize or minimize. That means we have to form the function of length of hypotenuse here. Then by using given condition, we have to convert this into single variable. Okay, so let's start. What is here? Look here. We are given a right angle triangle. Okay, because hypotenuse is given, that means right angle triangle. There is a point on hypotenuse. This point may be anywhere, point P. And what is given about this point? It is at distance small a and small b from the sides. So say this distance is small a and this distance is small b. Always this will be considered distance. Okay. Now we need to find AP and PC to find this length AC, length of hypotenuse. Now we don't have any variable here till now. So what are we doing? We are introducing a variable theta here. If it is theta, this will also be theta or not? Okay, so in triangle, say this point is L and M. In triangle APL, in triangle APL, what is? This is A, PL is A, and we need to find AP. So what will apply? Base upon hypotenuse. Here what we will apply for theta? Sine perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is in triangle? In triangle PLA. What is here? Cos theta is equals to what? A upon AP. So what is AP is equals to? A sec theta. It will be AP is equals to A upon cos theta, which is A sec theta. Similarly, in triangle, what is this triangle? PMC. In triangle PMC, what will be? Similarly, if we find PC is equals to A cosec theta or not? Why it will be A cosec theta? When you apply sin theta is equals to B upon PC. So PC is equals to B upon sin theta, which is B cosec theta. Basic trigonometry. Okay. Now, what we need to find? We need to minimize the length of hypotenuse. So length of hypotenuse. What is length of hypotenuse? What? Okay. So what is length of hypotenuse? Length of hypotenuse. What is L is equals to? क्या होगा? AP plus PC. Okay. AP plus PC, which is what? A sec theta plus A cosec theta. B cosec. Okay, sorry. This is B cosec theta. Okay, B cosec theta. Now what is here? We have this L is equals to AP plus PC. So this is A sec theta plus B cosec theta. How many variables are there? A and B are given quantities. So only theta is variable, so there is no problem. So what is next step? A dash, yeah, L dash. L dash is equals to what? A sec theta tan theta minus B cosec theta cot theta. Now what is? To find critical points, what should be there? A dash should be equals to 0. Okay? So A dash is equals to 0. So when you put A dash is equals to 0, it will be A sec theta tan theta is equals to B cosec theta cot theta or not? It will be. Now we need to find theta. Now we need to find theta. How will you find theta? It will be better sin cos में change कर दे सबको थोड़ी देर के लिए. So it is a upon cos theta into sin theta upon cos theta is equals to b upon sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta. Now look here, sin square theta, sin cube theta, and cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos cube theta. So it is what? You can say it is tan cube theta is equals to b upon a or not? So what will be tan theta? B power 1 by 3 upon a power 1 by 3. A cube root of b upon a. Now we have tan theta. Now again we have found the value of theta, but we have to minimize the length. We have to minimize the length, and to minimize the length we need to find L double dash. Again you have to have patience. Okay, so what will we do? We'll find L double dash. We'll find L double dash. ये थोड़ा complicated feel होगा आपको, ठीक है? So L double dash find करेंगे तो क्या होगा? A sec theta, B tan theta. So when you'll find, what it will be? A थोड़ा easy किया जा सकता है क्या? तो भी वही आएगा. So L double dash. What should be L double dash? It is A product rule लगाना है यहाँ पे. So it will be what? Sec theta into sec square theta. So sec cube theta in plus first into second लगा रहे हैं ना. Sec theta as it is, differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta. So sec theta into sec square theta is sec cube theta. Now tan theta as it is, differentiation of sec theta is sec theta tan theta. So it will be sec theta into tan square theta. Is it okay? Now minus b. What it will be? Cosec theta as it is, differentiation of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. So what it will be? Minus cosec cube theta. Is it okay or not? Now plus what is cot theta as it is, its differentiation is minus cosec theta cot theta. So it will be minus cosec theta, I am writing here, into cot square theta. Okay. Okay, so what we need now? Sec theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta. We have tan theta. We have tan theta. So from tan theta, what we can find? If tan theta is this, what will be? जो सिंपली करते थे ना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में, say it is p upon b. Say it is p upon b. So what will be h? If you find h, this square plus this square square root. So it will be what? H is equals to, h की सिंपली बात करें तो h क्या होगा? H will be what? H will be equals to a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole square root. समझ कैसे? इसका स्क्वायर करोगे तो क्या आएगा? b power 1 by 3 का होल स्क्वायर. What it will be? b power 1 by 3 whole square, which will be what? b power 2 by 3 प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर, a पावर 2 by 3 और उसका स्क्वायर रूट 2h आ जाएगा. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी sec थीटा? Sec theta. Sec theta is what? H upon b. So it is what? Square root of a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole upon sec theta is h upon b, which is a power 1 by 3. Similarly, we can find cosec theta. Okay. What will be cosec theta? H upon p. अजय, so यहाँ पे find करते हैं. Now L double dash. L double dash. When you substitute the values, now look here. Minus common आएगा यहाँ से, तो plus all are positive. So all are positive. That means L double dash is what? Greater than 0. And if L double dash greater than 0, that means length is minimum. Therefore, length is minimum. So if length is minimum, now we need to find length of hypotenuse. We need to find length of hypotenuse. What will be length of hypotenuse? This is length of hypotenuse. A sec theta plus b cosec theta. Now we have sec theta and cosec theta already. So therefore, minimum length will be what? Minimum length L is equals to what it will be? A sec theta. So A into, ध्यान से देखिएगा, it is square root of a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 upon What is a power 1 by 3 plus, it is what? Square root of, sorry, b into square root of a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole upon b power 1 by 3. Now look, this is a power 1 by a और this is a power 1 by 3. ये अगर इससे कैंसिल आउट करेंगे तो it will be a power 2 by 3. This will be cancelled out, so b power 2 by 3. Now what is common? Look here. Root of a power 2 by 3, b power 2 by 3 is common. So what it will be? Square root of a power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 common. What remains here? A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3. Now it is what? Root x into x. What is root x into x? It is x power root x, that means half. So it is what? X power 3 by 2. So what is L is equals to? What is L is equals to? A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. So what is minimum length? A power 2 by 3 plus b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. Okay, note it down.